It was a discovery no loved one should ever make. A mom and her daughter are both dead, each from different injuries. But detectives soon confirmed there was only one person responsible for both murders. This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. There's a reason that Law&Crime is the go-to spot for true crime content. Just like there's a reason Morgan & Morgan is America's largest personal injury law firm. They have more than 1,000 attorneys and have recovered $25 billion from more than 500,000 clients. In the past few months alone, a client in Florida received $12 million when insurance offered just $350,000. And in Pennsylvania, another client was awarded $26 million, 40 times the insurer's offer. Morgan & Morgan makes it so easy to fight for what you deserve. You can even start a claim from your phone. So if you're injured, you can start a claim at forthepeople.com/insidethecrime. Click the link below or scan the QR code on your screen. Officials say the killer murdered one victim, then waited for the other victim to come home and stabbed her nearly 5 dozen times. But then the killer claimed it was an accident. It's March 6th of 2023. We're in Laredo, Texas. It's almost 11:30 in the morning. Officers with Laredo PD are on scene responding to a domestic violence call when a man began screaming for help from across the street.
What's going on? What's going on? ¿Qué? John property. Log me tonight from the traffic, log me. ¿Cuál es la dirección de aquí? Log me by 2601 Lomas del Sur. I'll collect the 43 in a bit. Okay. ¿Están muertos? Sí, boss. They're biking of 2 dead bodies by the apartment. John 550, send me a supervisor. There's blood. There's one body with a knife. Oye, bro. Salte ahorita. Agarren el carro. John 550, send me a couple of units for comfort.
10-4. Any units that can assist John 30 by 2601 Nova the Sur.
John 552 bodies.
Officials later confirmed the bodies were of 19-year-old Brianna Ramos and her mom, Sylvia Ramos. Police say it was Sylvia who was discovered face down on the living room floor, lying in a pool of dried blood and a knife right next to her. When officers saw Brianna, her body was in the same position as her mom, and she was stiff to the touch. Brianna's uncle was the one who made the devastating discovery after her friends hadn't heard from her.
Vimos aquí en la Loma del Sur, porque yo estaba allí. And they said that they were worried about her because they couldn't find her since yesterday, right? Como son best friends. Se llama hermano, como somos raconiadas, ¿qué está pasando?
Who are you to them?
Yo soy el tío, yo soy el hermano de mi hermana.
Vamos a hablar para afuera y ahorita vemos, ¿ok? Ven. John 5P, possible 82. Hotel 2. Ma'am. Gloves. I don't have gloves, bro. Bring me gloves, please.
John 5 there, John 5.
74, no 52. John 5P, send the 52.
Any...
10-4, 5276.
Any response?
The blood seems to be dry. You have gloves or no, bro?
No.
Okay. Don't let anyone enter. Sanchez, please. Just there on the over here. for Johnson. There's 2 bodies inside. There's blood, and also in the room. No DOB, no serious. Okay. So, quiero que te calmes. Go ahead, Sarge.
Secure the rest of the...
Wait. I need for you to give me information. What's your name? What's your name? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Arturo.
Third vehicle on unit, stand by for
Mr.
37
Mr. Ramos.
for vehicle unit, stand look for a gray Jeep delivery, old model, last seen.
John 5 copy on the 28. Robert King Tom 9885. Robert King Tom 9885. It's gonna be a blue Malibu. Oh, Arturo, ¿qué es lo que está pasando? ¿Qué es lo que pasó? Necesito que me expliques, necesitamos que dar información.
Ahí de mi hermana va y mi cuñado y mi sobrina.
Okay. Tu hermana.
My sister.
Most of Arturo's interview with police is in Spanish, but here's what he would later testify to in court. He said Brianna's friends arrived to his mom's home trying to find her. He said he went over to the apartment, but there was no response. So they returned back to his mom's house. According to the Laredo Morning Times, Arturo said this while on the stand. After my brother returned, we went to the apartment together, and Gabriel went in first. I saw my sister lying down, stabbed to death. I took the knife from her neck because I didn't want my brother to see her like that. Then I went to Brianna's room and touched her hand. But there was one person who was noticeably absent at the crime scene, and that was Sylvia's boyfriend, Rene Mendez. The day before the discovery of Brianna and Sylvia's bodies, Sylvia's sister-in-law said she spoke with Sylvia after she ran out of gas, and Rene was with her. But there was no word from him after police arrived, plus Sylvia's car was missing.
Va tu hermana y él maneja una Jeep.
No, ese Jeep es de mi hermana.
Okay. Es una gray Jeep, la de tu hermana.
It's silver.
John 5.
Sorry for John 5.
That gray Jeep, the 17 is saying that it's his sister. The sister is one of the 82. Possible suspect as of right now is Rene Mendez. No DOB at this time.
Subject in the system under 102983.
According to the 17, Rene Mendez is the boyfriend of one of the 82s.
Yo no lo hago, pero pues yo con mi esposa, pues yo miré que está saliendo de aquí y dije, pues,
Porque vino a checarla.
sí, no, pero pues yo pensé que estaba por allá tú, pero no, pues no, yo no miré ayer no miré para nada, porque siempre me saluda o me habla de acá arriba.
David wanted. Go ahead. We have some units in Rasta or patrolling by 405 Gale. That person of interest, Rene Mendez, his family, and resides there. No. So first deal with the Jeep Liberty. Gil. There's 5 units here on Gil already, Pity. We don't need any more for now. Yeah, for you. It's gonna be the new house. For units, 276.
How about that?
What's the name of the guy?
It's gonna be Arturo.
That one?
Yeah, the big guy is gonna be Arturo Ramos.
Civilian. He's the brother of one of the agents?
Yeah, he's the brother of the female, the first female here, with the knife.
Who's the other female?
What are you writing down there?
The name of whoever was in?
That he entered.
Huh?
Whoever was in?
Okay. The firefighter or what?
Firefighters also. I put the civilian too.
No. Whoever, that log is only for people who come in once we're here.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Who's the other female? They didn't tell you?
No, not yet.
Déjame pasar para adentro.
No.
Déjame haberme puesto con ella un ratito.
No se puede, espérate.
Sarge.
Blue Malibu?
Huh?
Blue Malibu?
Yeah, I gave out the 28. I gave out the 28.
Yeah, I stopped it.
Three subjects, yes, family members.
Yeah, family member.
One of them doesn't have an ID, so I told him, I don't know my unit, what do you want me to do?
Go look for detectives. We just want to make sure he's here. If you went into the apartment, we need to talk to him, and we don't want him taken off.
That
At least
guy-
we got IDs, we can verify, but that one, we're going to have to keep until paper gets.
The guy with a black shirt, black and black shirts, I believe.
Yes.
Shorts. That's the guy that weighed me down right now.
Okay, yeah,
And he's,
that's one.
it was him and the one in white that went into the apartment. I don't know who he is though. For now, we're good right now.
All right, 2 up, here, nobody comes in, all right? Because this guy, I don't want him trying to bull rush his way up. Everybody else, y'all can go today. Rubio, stick around until papers gets here, or if you want to put him in Sanchez's unit,
You already
stick
brought your
in case
unit, bro?
Sanchez is gonna need help. And
With
it's-
AC in the back, and he claimed that he gets all kinds of...
Well, roll the windows down. Claustrophobic. I mean, he's not gonna get out.
What's his 43, bro? His name?
The one I have here?
Yeah, the guy you detained with the black over black.
Jonathan something.
For 2519, apartment number 204.
Ramon Gabriel. That's the guy that waved me down.
Okay.
The date of birth 11. He lives right here around the block. He said he wanted to go pick up his mom, so...
Yeah, by Bartlett, I believe he lives. Or Bartlett.
32061.
What's his DOB?
Sergeant Rahman, do you want another unit? It's here?
Yeah. Where's your unit, Sanchez?
It's fine. You can put it there. Yes.
Yeah, put it
It's
in
already
the-
open. Just the put the AC también. Who's Jonathan Santos?
The guy that waved you down, right?
Yeah, gordito, black
This is
black.
the driver. The driver of the Malibu.
Okay, which is Carlos, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna find out anything about
This is the
Where'd
guy.
you get the?
This is the guy I have detained that was in the
Okay.
passenger seat in the
Okay.
back that doesn't have an ID.
All right. He also called, I guess, at the same time that he went to us down.
Bartlett and Lomas. You get a number right there.
Okay.
I'll put that on the
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it, brother.
Sí, ella misma los esconden, siempre los esconden. Sí.
The boyfriend of his brother-in-law, Rene.
his sister? His sister's boyfriend.
Yes, Rene Mendez. This female right here, she called like about a week ago that she heard like that Rene Mendez was 62 in her,
That was probably the dentist. What's going on? Just try not to touch the railing.
A lot of blood, knife mixer, and one inside the room, no blood.
The Webb County medical examiner ultimately concluded that Brianna died from asphyxiation due to manual strangulation. Dr. Corinne Stern would later testify in court, the death was not accidental, and it takes approximately a minute and a half for a person to die from strangulation. Dr. Stern testified Brianna had been dead at least 12 hours before she was found. The 19-year-old did put up a fight against her killer. Dr. Stern testified that Brianna wore acrylic nails and lost 3 nails on her left hand. Sylvia's autopsy later revealed she died from multiple stab wounds and internal injuries. She had injuries to her face, her chest, as well as her neck. Dr. Stern testified there was evidence of 55 stab wounds, and just like her daughter, she put up a fight against her killer.
Yeah, don't let her in. If she comes, don't let her in. This unit is that?
Yeah. Is that yours, sir? No, I think it was between two. It looks like I think they last night explored. Yes, I did.
John 2, can you sure by that? 82, there's a 1050 vicinity.
YPC? Behind the black truck? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, they also hit the Explorer. Yeah.
That's a unit.
Yeah, I think that is. Fuck.
Work it straight, but we need all the stakes and get the speed. No, some of the unmarked units are apprehended.
Alright guys, what do you know? What do you got?
Rene Mendez, Rene Mendez possibly is subject. ¿Verdad, Cavazos?
Yes, he's
Rene
supposed
Mendez,
to
who is he related to?
John 2, can you unit 1's going to be a 575.
Rene Mendez. No DOB for now. Okay.
Okay, you got approximate?
No, not approximate age either.
Okay, what about him? He's possibly
He's possibly the suspect. Okay.
how is he related to?
He's the boyfriend of the female in the living room. Okay. This 43, I got it from Arturo Ramos, which is the brother of the female.
Okay, so boyfriend of female in the living room.
Yes.
What's the female in the living room?
Her name is Sylvia Elizabeth Ramos with a DOB of 120. This is a possible DOB.
Okay.
120, 86.
12086?
That's the possible DOB.
And she's the mom?
She's the mom.
Okay, and the daughter in the bedroom?
Her name is going to be Brianna Ramos. Brianna Ramos 3803. 3803.
10-4, but nobody with us.
They're advising that
What time did they call this in?
Okay, at 11:28 I was waved down.
You were waved down?
Yes.
There was a call.
They also generated a call.
Today?
Yes, today I guess.
So
at
you
the
were
same
waved
time.
down where?
So we're working at 1016 by New York and Lomas.
Dr. 64.
16 by New York.
Yes. And then a male subject with wearing all black, black shirt, black shorts. He ran across and he was just coming for us. Okay. So he advised of the 2 dead bodies. So
How did he know?
How did he know? So afterwards he said that they just broke into it right now because they haven't made contact with them.
Did you identify that man?
No, because when I went in,
Did you have a body camera?
I have a body camera.
Captured it?
Yes.
They
Yes,
captured
for
everything?
sure.
Okay.
Okay. That male should be here detained because one officer 48 the car. Because when I was coming out, the car was leaving.
So, okay, male detained. And that's black shirt, black shorts?
Yes. He's the first person that I made contact with that weighed me down.
Weighed down about 2 dead bodies.
Yes.
That's what he told you.
Yes. Which is I think he's gonna be the brother of the first body.
Did you identify him or not?
No.
Okay.
And he's gonna be the one that I made contact with, which is Arturo Ramos.
Arturo?
Yes, Ramos.
And that's the brother's name? Or?
Yes. He told me that yes, it's gonna be. He advised me that.
I don't think that's a correct birthday for the mom. Because he's older than his mom.
No, that's the sister.
So,
Arturo is the brother of Sylvia.
Okay, so it's her brother and sister.
Yes. Yes. He also told me that he put out the knife from the neck. Possible DOB for Rene Mendez. It's 102983.
And how did you get this? 1029?
Yes, 102983. An officer on the radio said it when I mentioned Rene Mendez.
Officers later found Rene Mendez at a nearby Motel 6 after getting a call about a drug overdose. He survived and was arrested for the murders of Sylvia and Brianna. During Rene's trial in 2025, prosecutors revealed he murdered Brianna first by strangling her to death in her bedroom. After he left the apartment to hang out with a friend, that friend reportedly testified in court that Rene was acting normal, as if nothing even happened. When he returned back to the apartment, he waited for Sylvia to come back home. When she entered the apartment, Rene took out a pocket knife and began stabbing her. After Sylvia's murder, prosecutors say he stole her bank card, withdrew $500, bought $100 worth of cocaine, and then proceeded to take more than 100 pills in an attempt to take his own life. This is what Assistant District Attorney Cassandra De Hoyos said to the jury. Then he thought he was over. He didn't expect to wake up. He didn't expect someone to rescue him and be sitting in front of this jury. Don't get it twisted. Addiction was his motive, but addiction didn't cause him to suffocate Brianna. Addiction didn't cause him to kill Sylvia with 55 stab wounds. It was that man over there. During Rene's police interview, Rene reportedly told detectives that he argued with Brianna on March 5th after telling her that he was planning to leave and take the family truck. He claimed he was trying to hold her down to keep her away from him, but then she stopped moving. Rene claimed he didn't mean to hurt her. He told investigators he stabbed Sylvia like 4 or 5 times in the back of her neck, even though the jury already heard from the medical examiner how many times Sylvia was stabbed. On October 24th of 2025, a Webb County jury found Rene guilty on 2 counts of first-degree murder, and that same day, he was sentenced to life in prison. Online records show Rene Mendez is currently housed in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice George Beto unit. Records also reveal his earliest parole eligibility is for March of 2063, when he'll be 79 years old. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner.